The link in the description offers an amazing 80% discount on Hostinger's shared hosting plans, making it an unbeatable deal for anyone looking to start their online presence. Hostinger's shared hosting is perfect for small to medium-sized websites, offering easy setup, a free SSL certificate, and a free domain for the first year. With unlimited bandwidth, 24/7 support, and a simple control panel, managing your website is hassle-free. The hosting comes with Lightspeed caching to enhance page load speeds and a 99.9% uptime guarantee, ensuring your website remains fast and reliable. Whether you're starting a blog, an online portfolio, or a business website, Hostinger's shared hosting provides the tools and performance to grow your site affordably.